Today's topic is about the third conditional and quantifiers. Starting with the third conditional. If we look at these pictures, in the first one we can see the first conditional, then the second, and then the third one. Let's take them one by one. If I study, I will pass. If I studied, I would pass. If I had studied, I would have passed. So, from the meaning, you can guess if it's possible or not the third one. The third conditional talks about the past. It's used to describe a situation that didn't happen and to imagine the result of the situation. Some examples: if she had studied, she would have passed the exam. But really we know she didn't study, so she didn't pass. So imaginary situation or result of the situation. If we had taken the car, we wouldn't have missed the plane. But we didn't take the car, so of course we would miss the plane. She wouldn't have been tired if she had gone to bed earlier. But this didn't happen, so the result is that she is tired. Let's see how it is formed. We make the third conditional by using the past perfect after if, and then would have, and the past participle in the second part of the sentence. If plus past perfect, and the second part of the sentence is would plus have plus past participle. This is the structure. What about positive, negative, and question form? Positive form: if I had known you were coming, I would have cooked something for you. Negative: if she hadn't been ill, she would have gone to the park. Question form: would you have told me if you'd known about it? If you had known about it? So, yes, I would, no, I wouldn't, is the answer of it. Here there are some exercises for you to practice at home. The first one: if I, blah blah, my driving test last month, I would have bought a car straight away. You have to use the verb pass in the right form. Here, don't forget that after if, it comes the past perfect. Past perfect of the verb pass is pass. I had passed, If I had passed my driving test last month, I would have bought a car straight away. The second one: if I, the verb complain in the right form in the shop, they might have given me a discount. So if I, past perfect of complain is if I had complained in the shop, they might have given me a discount. So the other ones you can do it by yourself. What about the quantifiers? There are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. And the quantifiers change and not always can be used in both cases. Let's see. From 100%, which means the total quantifier, like all, till 0, which is no. Countable nouns: all my cousins, every book, every room, whatever you can count, you can say every. A lot of pencils, or a lot of rooms, a lot of books, plenty of books, several pairs, a few books, no explanation or no reason. Let's move to uncountable nouns: all her stuff, a lot of stuff, plenty of space, a little bit of sugar or a bit of sugar, no sugar. So, as you can see, we cannot use every with uncountable nouns. Several we cannot also use with uncountable nouns. Let's have a look at both, neither, either, all, and none. Both. Both, it means the two. It means that one and the other one, this one and that one. Both can be used as a pronoun to refer to two things that we have already mentioned. Example: do you want the blue shirt or the red one? I will buy both, which means the blue shirt and the red shirt, both shirts. What about neither? Neither means not one and not the other. Neither is a negative word and is accompanied by an affirmative singular verb. Neither team wanted to lose. And let's move to either. Either is equal with any one of the two, or this one or the other one. Either is accompanied by an affirmative singular verb and is mostly used in questions or negative sentences. I haven't read either of these books. Something else about neither and either, the pronunciation can be like, you can say neither or neither, you can say either or either. Both of them are correct. All and none. All or none, we use them to talk about more than two things. I'm going to buy one for all my friends. None of the pockets are big enough.